Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Quora presence and niche. Complete your bio with niche keywords and add a clear professional photo so trust builds fast. Once done, pick one niche and compile 10 targeted questions that show buyer intent. Add 5 high-intent keywords to your notes. Make sure your affiliate links are formatted and tracking ready. Use a shortener or UTM tags. You begin answering immediately. Prioritize helpful content and drop links only when contextually relevant to avoid spam flags. You now focus on delivering answers that convert. Write 300 to 700 words, open with a concise value statement, expand with steps or examples, and end with a clear call to action. Once done, format for skimmability headings, short paragraphs, and bullet lists, and place the affiliate link naturally inside a resource or example. Make sure to quote product specs or pricing when applicable. Track views, upvotes, and comments. Use that feedback to tweak phrasing and swap keywords for better reach. You finish by promoting and scaling your wins. Share high-performing answers into Quora spaces and related social channels to amplify visibility, and once you have winners, repurpose them into templates for faster publishing. Test 3 link variations and track conversions. Prioritize the best-performing offers. If something goes wrong, like downvotes or removal, edit immediately. Clarify points, add credible sources, and tone down aggressive CTAs. Make sure to monitor account health and diversify.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.